Gusto niyo bang kumita habang nagcha-chat?
Teka lang. Huwag kang ma-shock dyan mga par. Huwag kayong ma-shock. Kasi dito, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ka-legit yung website. Yung website, guys, na isi-share ko sa inyo. At chill lang kayo dyan mga par. Chill. Tayo na at magsimula. Chill lang ha. Chill lang.
Alright, for today's video, ito yung ipapakita ko sa inyo guys na isang website po kung saan tayo mag-chat lang tayo at kikita tayo ng pera. Okay, yan dito tayo sa ating Chrome, nandito tayo ngayon sa Chrome. Search po natin is remotely for you. Okay, this one, here. Okay, so let's start. So, here in Remotely For You, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys na website kung saan kikita tayo habang mag-chat. Become a chat operator and work from anywhere. Okay. Do you like to write and are you self-employed? Then you are the person we are looking for. Pasensya pala dito ngayon guys, may manok lang sa amin. And so anyway, here, get started in 3 simple steps. So first, easy application. First part of the application is only asking for your name and email. We'll send you more info about the process once we have confirmed your email. Okay, may ID verification din tayo dito guys. You must be over 18 years of age to be accepted and to receive payments. We are required by law to conduct a simple ID verification. Okay, so here my online training. Yes, once your application has been approved, you have been verified and you will need to complete the relevant training before you are ready to start. Okay, what will you be chatting about here? We help thousands of lonely Americans every day to have a more meaningful everyday life by expressing themselves online with anonymous fantasy characters. So, hindi po kayo yung, pag may account na po kasi kayo dito guys, hindi kayo ang nasa profile or hindi rin pangalan nyo. May mga ano pang tawag doon, parang ibang name at ibang profile. Hindi rin ginagamit yung email nyo pag meron na kayong account dito guys. Okay? Meron lang kayo, gamitin lang natin yung email sa mga ano lang natin pang katulad ng sa ating account kung saan makikita yung payment, doon lang guys. Pero once may account kayo kung saan tayo mag-work, hindi name ang ginagamit na nyo dito. Hindi nila pinapakita. Meron talaga kayong, sorry talaga guys, may ingay ang manok ha. Meron talaga tayong privacy. Okay? Talagang hindi nila safe tayo dito. Tsaka hindi naman ano yung mga ginagawa dito. More on chatting lang, parang getting to know with each other, tapos sakayan nyo lang, ganon. Sakyan nyo lang guys. Tsaka sa makikita din naman sa training ano yung mga bawal at hindi sa pagtatrabaho dito. May mga bawal din kasi guys na parang di na below the belt or di na maganda yung chat. Pwede tayong hindi mag-reply ata doon. So, ngayon, here, basahin nyo na lang guys. Okay, as what chat agent you will be 100% anonymous, text only, no video, no voice. Yes, tulad ko guys. Work independently with full flexibility, earn more depending on how often you work. Okay guys, wala pong time. It depends kung ano yung vacant time nyo dito, kung saan kayo pwede or available, tsaka kayo makapag-work. Pero mas maigi mag-work kayo kahit everyday, at least 2 to 3 hours. Yun yung ikaka-recommend ko dito guys. Pero ano lang, yung sa na-observe ko lang dito kasi is pag Saturday and Sunday, hindi masyadong malaki yung binibigay nila. So, I recommend you to work every weekdays. Okay? What is the salary? Yes. A chat operator, you will work as independent contractor and therefore have full freedom and flexibility to work as much or as a little as you want. You can also work from wherever you want as long as you have access to the internet and have a PC or laptop. Actually, guys, I've tried this on my phone and I used to work. Yes, okay naman siya. Pero mas maganda lang talaga pag gamitin yung laptop. So, the basic salary here, calculated based on how many messages you reply to. Mamaya guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung uh, proof of payment nila sa akin. May invoice sila na, meron akong invoice na na-receive from them for you to, para makikita nyo po talaga na gaano ka-legit yung platform ng Remotely for You. So here, rate per message depend on various factors such as time of days, traffic, holidays, and more. It is hard to say exactly how much the salary will be, but a skilled chat agent who work 4 to 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, can easily earn between $100 and 300 weekly. Some of the top agents make more than 3,000 a month. So yes, guys, it depends talaga guys kung masipag po tayong work, mag-chat, you can earn more. And sa akin, in my case, pero medyo busy tayo guys, medyo busy. So, hindi ako gaano nakapag-work. But I have a proof of payment, proof of sinend nila na invoice para makikita nyo kung gaano ka-legit yung platform. Decide your own salary, retire plenty of bonuses and get paid weekly. Bonuses will give you a plenty of bonuses and have other incentives to add what you can earn. For example, if you send over a certain number of messages, recruit a friend, or work at peak hours. Okay? Pwede din kayo mag-refer dito guys. So, basahin nyo na lang weekly pay po sila dito. Payment is in euro through online payments such as BitSafe. Actually, pwede rin sila sa Wise yata mag-create ng kanilang account. Pero, ginagamit talaga nila is BitSafe or YourSafe. YourSafe yung ginagamit ko dito na account. Guys, kung saan nila sinisend yung, yung payment nila. So, basahin nyo na lang guys. You must, basta, you must be over 18 years old lang po ha. Bawal po dito minor. So, basahin nyo na lang yung policy. Kailangan lang may ID para sa verification. Pero hindi naman nila yan. Safe po tayo dito, guys. I guarantee you safe po talaga. So, send a minimum number of messages per week to remain an active operator. So, kailangan nyo lang talaga ditong mag-work every day. Recommended ko every day. So, ayan na siya, guys. Ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung bawal ko po kasi papakita kasi for privacy din nila, bawal data, yung mga data or info sa training namin hindi nila pinapakita guys. So once mag-sign up kayo dito at tanggap kayo, you will diretso proceed po kayo sa training nyo po. Sa training, yung training ko po kasi hindi siya pwede ipapakita kasi para sa privacy ng company. Okay? So, ang ipapakita ko na lang is yung proof of payment natin, guys. So, wait for a while. I'll show you my proof of payment. Okay, so alright, we're here. Right now is we are here in my dashboard. This is the account. Ito yung, meron kasi kayong, ano bang tawag dito? Meron kayong parang makikita, dito natin makikita yung, ano natin guys, yung work natin, yung invoice, dito lahat ng information natin dito makikita. So, ngayon guys, ang nag-work ako is April 1 with 69 messages by talaga kasi ako honestly, hindi ako masyado dito nag-work kasi meron din akong isang work. But here, last April 5, meron akong, ano ba tawag dito, messages 14 lang yung nag-ako guys. Yeah, dito tayo sa invoice. Ito yung sinasabi ko na invoice, guys. Ito yung to be paid. Okay. So, right now, as you can see, ayan siya, guys. Okay? Ito yung ma-receive you, guys, once, every week, ha? Every week. Hindi wala talaga silang palya dito. I guarantee you, babayad talaga sila agad after 1 week or every week. Here are my proof of invoice kung saan sinend nila sa aking payment method ko kasi you're safe kasi yun doon ako nakapag-registered pero pwede sa Wise. Yung iba sa Wise nila pinapasan para diretso agad madaling i-transfer sa GCash or PayPal. Sa akin hindi to siya. Nahirapan kasi ako nang mag-create ng Wise or Waze. Waze. So, ayan na siya guys. So, ayan yung proof of payment natin dito guys. Okay? And dalawa kasi siya. But, ito yung sinend nila sa akin last week ata to. Yung mga 14, no. April 1, 2024. Yes. April 1. 2.59 euro. Yes. Then, dito sa
So, ayun na siya guys. Sorry, naputol yung video natin sa dulo. So, ang na-earn natin last April 1, April 1 is 2.59 euro guys. So, ayan lang siya guys. Yan yung proof of payment natin dito na paying talaga yung website na tinutukoy ko guys. Sana ay nagustuhan nyo yung video na i-share ko sa inyo at sana ay mag-try kayo guys kasi walang mawawala akong mag-try kayo and it will help lalo na kung need talaga natin ng mga extra sideline sa buhay. So, sana ay mag-subscribe at mag-share kayo sa video na sinishare ko sa inyo para naman makatulong tayo sa iba na gustong makapag-earn ng money. So, that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And please do subscribe my channel. See ya.